Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly coming at you live from the 9th Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. Woo! Hey, you gotta check this out. ChatGPT is lying to me. All right, here we are. Hey, you got to check this out. So I teach the Spark framework that I developed for prompting because I'm tired of all y'all complaining all the time about AI. It's everything except you. And it's you, 90% of the time, it's you. Because you didn't give it proper instructions. You didn't tell it how you wanted it to do. So I went and I made Master the Language of AI. This workshop. And because if you're anything like me, when you first started getting into AI, or right now as you decided to get into AI, maybe things are coming at you so fast you're wondering, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what to do with AI. How would I use it? So those are all kinds of questions that a lot of you have right now. I had those questions a while back, and for me the most stressful part was figuring out where to start and how do I keep up with all the changes? So, Master the Language of AI. That's where we start. We start by learning prompting, how to talk to the AI, how to get the outcome that we desire, how to communicate with it. Master the Language of AI, my friends. And within Master the Language of AI, this is part of that website. So you just scroll down on this web page. You'll see that you have the prompt builder right here. And then you can work with it and scroll down a little bit further and then just register for this workshop. So here we are at the Spark framework for effective prompts. Now I'm not going to go over the Spark framework right now. I'm just going to show you that just by going to this website, not even taking the workshop, just going to register for the workshop, you can learn a lot. You can learn the Spark framework. It's the foundation for using AI, how to talk to it. Excuse me. So I'm going to go right down here and I'm going to open the prompt builder, and it turns out that what I want to do is I want to go ahead and analyze some videos. But first, let me show you how ChatGPT lied to me. I'm making the post, the caption for this post. This live stream is going to end up being a post. So, excuse me one second. There we go. So this video has a caption under it in the description, right? So what I did was I took a screenshot of the Spark framework right here, and then I pasted it right into ChatGPT, just like that. And then I told not just any ChatGPT, Mary Marketing. Mary Marketing is a custom GPT that I have, my agent. And Mary Marketing has got a very special prompt. It's got a persona prompt in there. And what we did is we dug deep into the large language model, into the latent space, and we found the expert, Mary Marketing. So I've got a lot of different custom GPTs, a lot of agents, a lot of chatbots that I work with that have different specialties. Here they are: the scriptwriter, Lyra Keene, Sky Martin, Hooky Hook Jenny, Thinker, Charles Swift, Quizbot that makes quizzes for all my courses. And Mary Marketing, I said, hey, why don't you analyze the attached image and tell me what it's about? And so that's what I did. I ran the prompt, and then all of a sudden, look at this. It lied to me. It said, the image that you have uploaded is a visual summary of lesson 1.1 from the Generative AI for Leaders course. Really? No, it's not. It focuses on what generative AI is. It gives examples of tools like ChatGPT, how it differs from traditional AI. And that's absolutely not what is here. And so I'm wondering, I immediately knew what's happening, right? It's lying to me. And so I just had to tell it, no, it's not. And I'm not using the Spark prompting methodology here because this is a custom GPT. It's a prompt that I'm talking to. It's a persona. It's already got a prompt. If we go right up here to Mary Marketing and we go to edit the GPT, and then I'm going to go into configure. Within configure is where you're going to find the instructions. And then right here are the instructions, just like that. So that's the prompt. That's the instructions that run Mary Marketing so that I don't have to be putting in there all the time. Act as a marketing expert and the like. So I said, no, it's not. And then Mary immediately jumped into, I can see it's this code working right here. That means it's analyzing the image. And then, of course, it apologizes. Thanks for the patience. You're totally right. The image is actually about the Spark framework for effective prompts. That's a hallucination, man. I straight up gave it the image and it decided instead of really looking at the image and analyzing it like it can, it decided to go into the knowledge base. So if I go into this GPT, edit GPT, and we go to configure, and I go right down here to the knowledge base, I see where it got the information. It got it right here from lesson 1.1 of the PDF. That's my course, AI for Leaders, that teaches you how to implement AI within your organization. And so here we have Mary Marketing, and now I know where that came from. So, this is a perfect example of how AI will hallucinate. It just made a mistake. And then now that I said, no, it's not, corrected it, it went through and then it found, got the right information right there. So this is Mary Marketing because she's got the little cell phone icon at the beginning and at the end of every response. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call up LinkedIn Linda. And I called up LinkedIn Linda. The way that I did that is right within, this isn't ChatGPT. You can just put in the @ symbol and then it's going to find your recent or pinned GPTs. So then I just clicked on LinkedIn Linda and then I told LinkedIn Linda, I asked LinkedIn Linda. First I said, excellent. Now Linda, first it was Mary Marketing I was talking to. Now it's LinkedIn Linda. Please turn the above context into a LinkedIn video post caption. Why did I call LinkedIn Linda? Because she's trained specially, or she's prompted specially to be an expert in LinkedIn, everything to do with LinkedIn. She's that LinkedIn expert that's in the large language model. Think about that. All the experts are in there. They've taken all those data and trained the models with it. So there's a marketing expert in there somewhere. And there's one that specializes in LinkedIn. And that's what we're pulling from the latent spaces when we're using persona prompting. And since I mentioned the persona prompting, I want to mention collaborative dynamics. Look them up. Collaborative dynamics, Sam Stunspot Walker. And that's who I have learned persona prompting from. Check them out. So here is the post for LinkedIn right here. It's in the LinkedIn style. It's about that image. I just took a screen capture, boop, pasted it in there. Had to deal with a little hallucination. This doesn't always happen. It happens sometimes, but it's good that we know that it happens. And, we got the AI to refocus. And then we asked LinkedIn Linda to convert this post into a LinkedIn style post. I know it's LinkedIn Linda because every time I see a star like that at the beginning and at the end of a chat, that's letting me know that it's LinkedIn Linda that did that. So I'm not in a specific, I'm in Mary Marketing, the custom GPT, but within Mary Marketing, I can access other GPTs and refer to the context. So this video that you're looking at, it's live right now, but it might not be live when you're looking at it. When you look at the caption, this is the caption. that you're going to see. And that's the process that I went through to do this post right here. But I want to show you another thing. With the Spark framework, this is something that you can work with already. I mean, just go to my website, right? Go to getskills.ai. Get Skills look just like this. Get Skills AI. Boom. And whoops, not like that. Whoa, you're not gonna see this. Let me go in incognito mode. Control-Shift-N opens up private window, incognito mode. And then right here, I can just go to Get Skills AI, not the admin, and join the live training. So there it is, Master the Language of AI. Oh, and it's got the big bonus $19.99 coupon. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the chat right over here so that you can get it. Let's see. Boom, there's the link. All right. Oh, and I gotta put it into this chat right here so everybody else can get it. Let's go. Boom, there it is. Big bonus, $19.99. Now, what I wanted to do with the Spark methodology, just go to this website and take this workshop. But you don't even need to take this workshop just to use the Spark method. Okay? I got it set up for you already. You open the prompt builder, and here it is. Whoops. What happened? Oh, I got to get out of incognito. Open the prompt builder, and here it is. And let me just give you an example. So what I want to do is I have a couple of videos that I want the AI to analyze the videos, extract the information, and summarize it for me in a bullet point format. So we go through the steps of building the prompt. Make sure that we specify our goal, summarize YouTube video content, provide relevant context, look at the following URLs. These are the 2 videos that I want to summarize. Constraints and requirements, look at it as an expert marketer. Request specific format of structure, I want bullet point format. And it's for marketing executives. So I click on generate prompt, and it puts the prompt all together for me right over here. Summarize YouTube video content, look at the following URLs, generate prompt. Summarize the YouTube video content, look at the following URLs, and summarize the content for each one. There they are. This is for marketing executives. There's the bullet point format. So we've covered the Spark methodology. Everything that AI needs from us to be able to generate a really good result. So I'm going to copy from the clipboard, and then I'm going to just start a new chat. A blank new chat in ChatGPT. Doesn't even have to be ChatGPT. It can be DeepSeek. Let's try DeepSeek. Have y'all heard of DeepSeek? DeepSeek is free. This version of ChatGPT right here Plus is $20 a month. DeepSeek is free. And so let me turn off this deep think, the reasoning for DeepSeek, and let's just paste that prompt. And I want to go ahead and turn on the web search. Boom. Pretty much all of these chatbots, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they all pretty much got the same features. So let's just go ahead. I haven't tried this in DeepSeek, but it should work just fine. We got the prompt. We got the web search. Now, those videos have to have transcripts in them in order for them to be analyzed. It's searching the web. It's letting us know the steps that it's taking. And you know, why don't I just plug that into ChatGPT too? See what happens. Whoop. Go to my tools. I'm going to say search the web and say go. Boom. Sometimes ChatGPT is going to be faster than DeepSeek because, you know, DeepSeek is free and anybody can use it. I think DeepSeek is awesome. I like working with DeepSeek, and it's just amazing because it's free. And sure, it's made by a company in China and you don't know what they're going to be doing with your data, don't upload your data in here. Don't upload your private personal data into ChatGPT either, okay? You can upload it into like something like, for example, let's say you've got Microsoft Copilot 365 and you open up Copilot 365 and you see that you've got that green shield. That means that your data is encrypted, is protected. You've got enterprise data protection. You can upload your files to be analyzed and the like there. ChatGPT, DeepSeek, don't do it. But look at that. There's the video. Key focus likely covers advanced YouTube marketing. What? That's not what these videos are about. Wow. That's not at all what these videos are about. This one is. So look. Right here in DeepSeek, the chatbot that I was raving about, it hallucinated. It just gave me an answer. But now look at ChatGPT right here. This is the actual one of the actual videos that I wanted summarized. There it is, summarized in bullet points. And it's made in the way that it is for it's from an expert marketer for marketing executives. So the language that it's using is marketing language. Look at that. Google Gemini, unlock better results with this pro tip. Nice. ChatGPT. Maybe it does make a difference that I'm paying $20 a month. But they all hallucinate. We just got to be aware of that. And in this one, you're asking to summarize it so you know what these videos are. This is why you're never going to be replaced. Not anytime soon. AI cannot replace humans right now for this reason right here. You never get the same result. You might not get the right result. You'll get a result that sounds good, but it's not good. The best thing to do, my friends, is don't get mad. Just get yourself some skills and remember that there's got to be a human in the loop at all times. So it's not AI that's going to replace you. It's going to be a person that is highly trained and knows how to use AI effectively that can replace an entire department. But there's still a human in the loop. Remember that, my friends. Why couldn't that human be you? I love you, my friends. And like I always say, don't get mad. Get yourself some skills. And most of all, keep on learning. Aloha.